Welcome guys, we are in still Hualien and we're going to this trail. It's a sacred garden of plants. It's almost 0.7 kilometer and it's almost like 50 minutes to see the viewpoint of the ocean. So we will start from our journey from the stairs. Let's go. Okay, take rest first. Take rest now. Before going up there, you can park your car here and also a restroom. So you can take easy and start. It's starting from the stairs. If the hiking is stairs, I not like it. It's too tough for hiking. I hate hiking with the stairs. The natural way that in hiking before a video, I think it's a very good, but this is little bit difficult, or like not difficult, but it's make me tight. I hate stairs. From here the view is so good, guys. The view is so beautiful from here, guys. You can check. No. So guys, you guys see there's a lot of stair here, so we need to from here. So a lot of stair we need to walk, but whenever you go on top, the view is so beautiful. I'm sure you're going to like the view from here. You guys can see beautiful view of the ocean, and it's still going up. Oh, black. Yeah.
Can I have the picture in here?
Yeah, wait.
Oh my god!
1 minute, else.
Oh my god! need to put the leg. Like, put down the leg. Yeah. Yes, put down the leg. Yeah.
Beautiful. You guys see, it's very beautiful walking trail in the blue sky. And just if I move my camera from here, guys, you can see very beautiful view from here. And we still need to walk there. It's okay, it's okay. 你好，你好，你好。走了。
人家是在后面。
来了。这人抓起来。
We go there.
Huh?
Like a cat. What is that?
Ah. Now we start again.
Picture?
Huh? So heat. Beach, and there is a beach in the center.
Hey, you play. I saw him play.
Wow, see this view?
Will kick the people out.
There's not mentioned about the in the map about this route. We just going down to see, maybe we go back our place or maybe we go to the beach. We don't know, but we just want to be adventurous. His ancestor is monkey, therefore he making this sound again. Yeah. If anyone want to learn this language, you can contact with him. Guys, it's look good, but if it's raining, I not suggest anyone to come here because it's a little bit dangerous, sleepy. Yeah, so here's beach, right? Uncle tell us about the beach, so.
Oh my god, that's still right here.
Huh?
Which way?
See,
No, here.
it's a resting area. There is Salem. Oh, it's a temple, sister. It's small temple. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, that is temple.
You gonna go?
Huh?
You can see only.
See, it's okay, sister.
Wow.
See, the view is good. Yes, it's too much waiting, but when you see this beautiful view, all the heat, temperature, see the wind from there are so cool, and there's also people right here. So you can see this view, all temperature vanish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's another video now. We are going to another place. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next video. Bye bye.